Hello everyone and welcome on this new gold analysis from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So yesterday actually I have missed sending one excellent signal for the gold to buy from 3898. I actually was planning to send a signal to buy from the previous level of a resistance. Now I'm sure some of you might think that Salah is lying, but actually I'm not, because there was absolutely no time to send the signal on YouTube, but instead we actually have shared it in our gold VIP signal channel on Telegram. As you can see right here, the gold, as you can see guys, was just there at the entry, and there was absolutely no time to send it on YouTube. Thankfully it was actually a good signal, and actually has reached already TP2 of 700 pips only to our clients in the VIP channel, and actually so far it's running in around 1,300 pips. I think it's already getting closer to the TP3 as well. So again, we will do the best we can right now to provide you with another signal, but again guys, nothing is promised. We absolutely doing our best and hoping for the best. Gold is getting really much harder and challenging to be predicted. Now also I would like to remind you that we actually have sent a signal to sell the gold exactly from this level of resistance at 4058. Now however, we can notice that the gold actually has almost reversed from our sell, just reversed by 50 pips only from our sell level, and already hit the TP. So that being said, the old signal guys is no longer valid, so I don't think actually we can sell at 4058 anymore. Most likely the gold will continue the rise, but why? Well, let me just explain to you. Based on daily chart, if we look right now at the entire structure that we have right here exactly, and why sending a signal to buy from 3898 was a good idea, because as you can see, the gold actually guys right now has reversed exactly from Fibonacci 38.2, which is actually the continuation retracement. So now we actually have a strong reason to believe that the gold is actually in a correction instead of a crash. So to be honest with you, let's just be precise. Is the gold in correction or a crash? In my opinion, if the gold will actually be able to make a bullish breakout from the resistance at 4143 zone, most likely it is a correction and the gold will continue the rise. If it's going to reverse from this level right here, then there is a chance that the gold is actually indeed crashing and was just simply retesting the resistance before continue the fall. Which means, however, that we can actually consider buying the gold until it reaches that level. So that's going to be our TP already. So let me just go back to the 4-hour time frame and mark our TP to be exactly right here at the resistance at 4134, which means the gold is still actually almost 1,100 pips far away from the entry. So meaning, where exactly we can place our buy level, or actually buy entry? By simply checking again the recent structure that we have right here exactly, and draw the Fibonacci right from this high to this low. What we can see right now, as you can see my friends, another Fibonacci 38.2 has been born exactly right there. And as you can see, it also points at a previous level of a support. But however, I would like to go right now to the 1-hour time frame to see it in details. Alright, so now as you can see, based on the 1-hour time frame, I would actually like to lower my entry to be exactly right here. But why right here, Salah? For two reasons. Number one, we actually have here the strongest key level of a support, which is the nearest one to this bullish breakout candle, which actually has made a bullish breakout from the resistance at 3977. Number two, the history, or actually our experience in trading, telling us if you find actually a bullish breakout candle, it's going to be always the best idea to place your buy order exactly at the same level of the top of the wick right here. Let me just zoom in to show it to you. Right here exactly, as we can see, the top of the wick right here. So that's usually going to be the best level to consider buying the gold, or actually any pair for this matter, and hoping for a sniper entry. Therefore, I would like to consider rebuying the gold exactly at 3984, aiming 4134, looking for around 1,500 pips in our favor. I really hope it's going to be a good signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone, or actually the stop loss in this case, actually should be just a little bit lower than the previous level of a support at 3938, which is going to be around 460, or actually 460 pips. Let me now please write this signal for you. We actually have another good reason to believe that this actually might be a good signal. As you can see my friends, based on the 1-hour time frame, we have here a support trend line number 1, number 2, number 3, and as you can see, it became here only a resistance trend line for only once. So meaning that the pattern that we have right here is simply like that: support trend line, support trend line, support trend line, a bearish breakout, then one single attempt of a resistance trend line, and instantly has been broken out from, which means, of course, a stronger bullish momentum and actually a very weak bearish one. However, it means that we can consider waiting for the goal to reach the same level of the support trend line and place our buy entry accordingly from this area. That's why I really hope it's going to be a good signal, and hopefully we can make good profits with it together. However, in the end, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube, and you can also get to try our VIP channel service as well. However, the channel name is Xtreme Gold Signals. It's completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything at all to join it, and you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.